Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm here to give my honest review on this Canon EOS 2000D camera. Um, and it comes in a kit with so many products that I'll go through, but I have loved this camera. I really didn't have a ton of training in photography and stuff. And so I got this camera just as like a starter camera, and it's been so great. Like it's so simple to use. Um, One thing that's really awesome is that it will Bluetooth to your phone. So you can just send the pictures straight to your phone. You don't have to plug it into a computer or anything like that, which I have loved. It's so user friendly. And then you can like get your pictures quick after you take them. But really, it's a pretty simple, like point and shoot camera. Super easy to figure out. This is the buttons. And then you also have this setting knob up here as well. So one great thing is it came in this awesome kit. So it comes with the camera. And then these are some of the other things that came up. This great digital flash attachment. Here is another lens, a professional telephoto lens. And then it also came with this filter kit for your lens. And it comes with a charger and then your bag as well, camera bag, and then this device coming in kit. So it's all been so great. You kind of have everything you need to just get started. So I had a recommend this camera, super easy to use, and great for beginners.